In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file into Trello. Whether you're new to Trello or a seasoned pro, importing data from a CSV file can save you a ton of time when setting up or updating your boards. Instead of manually adding tasks, lists, or cards one by one, this method allows you to transfer data seamlessly in just a few simple steps. So if you're ready to streamline your workflow and make the most of your Trello experience, let's dive right in. First, start by navigating to the top right corner of your Trello homepage. This is where you'll find all the tools and settings you need to enhance your Trello boards. Once you're there, look for the rocket ship icon. It's hard to miss. It's the gateway to Trello's Power-Ups marketplace. Go ahead and click on it to open up the marketplace. Now, in the search bar at the top of the Power-Ups marketplace, type the following: Import to Trello by Blue Dasher. This is the name of the Power-Up we'll be using to import your CSV data into Trello. After typing it in, hit enter or search, and you should see the Power-Up appear in the results. Once you've located the Import to Trello by Blue Dasher Power-Up, click the Add button. This will integrate it directly with your Trello board, giving you the tools you need for the import process. Trello will confirm that the Power-Up has been added, and you should see its icon appear on the top toolbar of your Trello interface. This icon is your shortcut to everything we'll be doing next, so it's important to verify that it's there. Now it's time to get started with the actual import. Click on the newly added icon, and this will open up the interface for the Power-Up. This is where the magic happens. You're now ready to begin the process of transferring your data from a CSV file. Next, take your CSV file and copy the data you want to import. Open the file using your preferred spreadsheet tool like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, and select the rows and columns of data you want to bring over. Once you've selected the data, use the copy function to save it to your clipboard. With your data copied, return to the Power-Up interface in Trello. You'll see fields provided where you can paste your copied data. Make sure everything lines up the way you want it. This will ensure that your lists, cards, or other items are imported correctly. Finally, once everything looks good, click the Import button. This will transfer all the data from your CSV file directly into your Trello board. Depending on the size of your file, this process should only take a few moments. And just like that, your data is now part of your Trello workflow, ready to be organized and put to use. If you don't already have a Trello account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. And that's it! You've successfully imported a CSV file into Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.